Welcome to Quartzsite. Good morning. It's 8:30 and I arrived in Quartzsite last night. But meanwhile, look what we found here on the road. It's pretty cool. Got room for one more in the back. Oh, it looks like it rides two up front and one in the back maybe. Maybe we'll do a little metal detecting out here in Quartzsite. Wow, look at this one. Catch me if you can. Look at this propeller. Look at these tires. Alaskan. Made in the USA. This one looks a little bit bigger. Nice back seats for your passengers. Super Cub, another one. Look at that. Oh, this one's open. This one we can look inside. Let's take a look. Oh, this one's only got room for two. Look at those pedals. Wow. Nice comfy seats here. Quite a few of them. We got this one right here. Oh, look at this one. This is a little different. I don't know about this one. It's a little scary looking. Let's take a peek inside. Nice bright orange. Beautiful propeller. Look at this right here. Very nice. And the beautiful view of the mountain right there behind. I'd say this is a beautiful morning. Let's look at this one. Firefox. That's a cute name. Nice paint job. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh, very nice. Matching upholstery. Look at that. Looks like a 2-passenger one. And we got this one right here on the end. And right here we have an old fuel truck. Oh, these are very old. These aren't running. Yeah. Well, there's nothing left of this one. I even got it sitting on a big old tire right here. I like this yellow one. The Cessna. And we're back at the van. On we go. Let's see what else we can find today.